Okay, how to remove the brake and replace it. First, you just use pull this little guy out here on both sides so that the brakes can freely move, and then you should be able, with a little bit of work, not quite this easy, be able to pull that out like that. Then you should be able to take the new brake and put it in right there like that on both sides. Then you're going to put this little thing in here back in like that goes up to there. Once you've replaced the brakes on both sides and tightened them down, then you can add the little screw and spring.